Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Teami skincare fridge. This was an item that I got as one of my Christmas presents, and it's an item that I've had my eye on for quite some time. I'm super excited to have this, and I am going to be unboxing this skincare fridge. I want to share some of the details about this skincare fridge, and then also we'll talk about some of the products that I'm going to be adding into it. This skincare fridge is from a company called Teami, and I'm really excited that I got this particular brand of skincare fridge because I like the outer aesthetic on this particular skincare fridge. It has this marble glass type of finish, but we'll get into that detail here in just a little while. So first of all, let's talk about some of the benefits that come from storing your skincare products in this skincare fridge. So the first thing that it says here on the box is storing your skincare products in this mini fridge. It can extend the life of the skincare products. Refrigerating your skincare and beauty products, especially preservative-free and natural ones, can prolong their shelf life and maintain their effects for longer. So that sounds super awesome. If I can store all of my clean products in this skincare fridge and it's going to keep them fresh and keep them effective for a much longer time, give them a much longer shelf life, that's always a good thing because skincare products are not cheap. They can be very expensive, so we need to try to store them in a manner that's going to allow us to be able to use them a lot longer and to get all the benefits that we possibly can from them. So the next benefit is in regards to sheet masks, and it says that this particular fridge, or having a skincare fridge, is sheet mask heaven. Keep your favorite sheet mask chilled for an extra cooling sensation to relax after a long day. That sounds so good because I love sheet mask, so it'll be really nice to have a cool sheet mask that I'm using on my skin just to make it even more relaxing. And it also says to feel refreshed. Chilling your favorite skincare products can deliver a cooling effect, leaving your complexion feeling soft, renewed, and revitalized. I believe that that's really true, so I'm super glad to have this skincare fridge for that reason also. So some of the features of this skincare fridge is the glass front door. This is what I talked about just a while ago, and I just like the way this looks. You know, it doesn't look cheap, it doesn't feel cheap, and it really looks good on my vanity, or it will look very nice on my vanity. It has a metallic finish. This fridge is lightweight and there are two handles on each side, so it'll make it really easy to move it around if that's what you need to do. And it also comes with two removable shelves. So I like that idea because skincare products come in different sizes. So it's good to be able to remove the shelves to give us that extra space if we need it. This fridge also claims that it can take room temperature products, and room temperature is determined to be between 70 and 75 degrees. It can take those products and cool them down to 35 to 40 degrees. So that's quite a bit of difference. So yeah, this is going to be a high quality skincare fridge. I'm really going to like this a lot. And again, in regards to the features that come with this particular skincare fridge, the front glass panel, the metallic finish, the hidden door handle, the removable skincare shelf, and the removable indoor shelf, and this is a 10-liter capacity mini fridge. So this is what the actual skincare fridge looks like. Isn't she cute? This is the marble front door. I really like this. Again, I think this is going to look really, really nice on my vanity. And then these are the two handles. There's one on each side. You also have vents here. This is going to be good for the air intake for the refrigerator. And this is the back of the fridge. So you've got a setting here for the off switch. You also have a setting for cold and also a setting for warm. This is really nice because this is an indication to me that not only can I keep things cool in this refrigerator, but I could also maybe keep things warm if I wanted to. So that's very nice. There's also an AC and DC switch here. And then you also have the outlets for AC and DC as well. So that makes it really nice because if you wanted to travel with this skincare fridge, you could do that as well. So this is really nice because this came with the two plugs that you would need for either the AC or the DC connection, whichever that you wanted to use. And the AC is going to be one that you would use if you were going to plug this in your home. So it comes with this type of cord. If you wanted to use this on the road or use it as a mobile type of fridge, you could do that as well, because it also comes with this type of plug, which you would use in a cigarette lighter in your vehicle. But you get these two cords with this refrigerator, so that's really nice. Should be able to use it in any way that you need to. Also, with this particular fridge, it does not have that suction cup type of strip around it. It actually has a clasp that you pull forward to open and close. So I like this. I like this a lot. So it can stay nice and snug. I don't have to worry about the door popping open and potentially losing the chill that I have already on my skincare products. So yeah, this is very nice. And now for the inside of the fridge. So I'm just gonna open it up here, and voila, you can see the magic here. So I've already taken out this extra shelf because it does come with two shelves. So I've already taken out one of them. This is the extra shelf that came in here. So I took it out because I already know that I've got some products that I want to add in this refrigerator that are pretty tall. So I already knew that if I left this in here that I wasn't going to be able to fit some of those products in here, so I went ahead and took that out. It also came with these cute little stickers that you can place on the outside of the fridge on the door. So I'm not for certain if I'm going to use these or not, because I just like how elegant this looks just by itself. So I don't think I'm going to add any stickers to the front of this right now, but it does come with stickers if that's what you'd like. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started adding some of the products into this skincare fridge. So to start off, I think I'm going to focus on this area right here. So I've got some masks here. I've got my evening Google Eye mask and also the morning Google Eye mask. These were two items that came in my most recent BoxyCharm. So I'm going to add these in here. I've also got a Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask here. I really like this mask. So it's really going to be nice to use this chilled. So I'm going to add this in there. And I've also got from Wonder Beauty, I've got the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So this came in a previous month's BoxyCharm box. Actually, they only sent just a couple of packets of these under eye masks, but I like them so much I went ahead and bought a full box of them. So I still have, looks like I've got one left. So I'm gonna take it out of the box and I am just going to put that in there as well. I have a few smaller samples of other products. I'm also gonna place this in here. I've got a ginseng oil-free energy boosting gel moisturizer from Origins. I'm gonna throw this in here. I also have the ginger leaf and hibiscus firming mask from Kiehl's. I'm going to throw this in here. And then I've got a vitamin C serum here. I am also going to add this here. I also have a collagen pack here. So I'm going to add this to this skincare fridge as well. This size product is one of the main reasons why I went ahead and removed that second shelf out of here. This is my Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. So I'm going to add this into my skincare fridge here. I'm also going to add another item from Fresh here. This is my black tea kombucha essence oil. So I'm going to put this in this fridge as well. I also have this Radiant Dew Mist. This is from Skin & Co. This is an item that came in one of my Boxy Luxe boxes. So I'm going to add this into this skincare fridge. I'm liking this already. I'm going to add this Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. So I'm going to add this into the skincare fridge as well. I'm going to add my Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So I'm going to take this out of the box, and I'm also going to add this into my skincare fridge. I have my Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel Lotion Sunscreen. This is an SPF 30. I'm going to go ahead and add this into the skincare fridge as well. I have heard that adding your sunscreen into your skincare fridge to apply it cool works really well on the skin. So it has some additional benefits. I am also going to add from Glow Recipe the Pineapple Bright Serum. This is an item also that came in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. So I want to make sure that I'm able to keep these items fresh as I'm receiving them, because BoxyCharm sends out some really good skincare products, and we get the BoxyCharm boxes every month. So there's a possibility that I may not have used all of one particular product in that 30-day time period, so I still want to keep it fresh. I still want to be able to use it. This skincare fridge is really going to help me increase the longevity of the skincare products that I'm receiving in my monthly subscription boxes. So yeah, again, this is the Pineapple C Bright Serum. Cute container. Look at this. This is so cute. This is so cute. So I'm going to add this into my skincare fridge as well. I'm also going to add one of my absolute favorite products from pharmacy, and this is my Honeymoon Glow. I am almost out of this product, and I will be repurchasing this again. I really love this. So that's going to be going into my skincare fridge. I'm also going to add this item. This is the Antioxidant Dew, Quench, and Glow Serum from Caprice. This came in the most recent BoxyLux box. So I'm going to be adding this into this skincare fridge as well. And look at all this packaging I'm getting rid of. This is really going to help with storage, you know, saving some space. I don't necessarily have to hold on to all of these boxes and containers and such. So yeah, it's going to give me some extra space there. And now that my masks have been added into my skincare fridge, and I've also added in some of the larger bottles of skincare products that I have, I've got them added into the fridge. I'm going to move on to my creams. So I've got the Tatcha water cream here. So I am going to add this into my skincare fridge. No longer have to hold on to the box. I'm just going to put that right in there like that. I've also got my moisturizer, my Confidence in a Cream from It Cosmetics. So I will also add this into my skincare fridge. And I also have the eye cream from It Cosmetics as well. This is the Confidence in a Cream eye cream. So I am going to add that into my skincare fridge as well. And I'm also going to add my rollers into my skincare fridge. I love using the jade rollers, and I also love my rose quartz roller as well. And I think that they're really going to feel a lot better on my skin, and maybe even add some additional benefits if I use them chilled. So yeah, so I'm going to take these out of this package, and I'm just going to pop them right up here in this skincare fridge, just like that. I think that'll work. So this is a good start. This is a lot of my skincare products right here in this skincare fridge. So I'm going to try this out. I'm going to see how it works. I am so glad to have this, and if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link below where you can purchase this particular skincare fridge. This particular skincare fridge has 4 out of 5 stars. So this is a really good one. Again, it is very sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap, and it looks so luxurious sitting on your vanity. I've already kind of placed it so that I could have an idea of what I may need to move around. I've already tried it out on my vanity. I was curious how it would look, and it looked really nice, very luxurious. So yeah, I think that I'm really going to love this. Again, I'll leave the link below, so just in case you want to check it out, I think that you'll love it too. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.